it was not done by us. We did not do anything. The universe brought us together. No play, none of our play.
तू किसी रेल सी गुजरती है.
Everybody in my family had given up this topic of marriage or love or anything of that sort of. But suddenly it happened, and this was the place. And therefore, Varanasi and Banaras holds extreme significance for me. For her, it's universe. For me, it's Lord Shiva, my friend.
थरथराता हूँ. तू भले रत्ती भर न सुनती है.
And क्योंकि बनारस था and क्योंकि शिवजी थे, and all the places I went, I was like, Bhagwan, with all my folded hands, peace दे दो, peace. I don't know what is right or wrong. And then suddenly she comes. So
किसी लंबे सफर की रातों में.
I feel extremely fortunate, blessed to have her in my life, to meet her.
जलाता हूँ.
I very much believe in the string theory concept that until and unless it is the right time, universe does not bring the two people together in that manner. So I think that is what happened with us.
राता हूँ.
I happened to write 11 pages of the kind of man that I want. Very descriptive, very detailed. I don't know how many points in those 11 pages, and then I literally forgot about it. Then 2025 happened, and one random day, I am just looking for a diary to write something. And I just stumble upon that diary. Everything that I had written, he's that man.
काठ के डाले हैं, आँख पे डाले हैं, उनमें इशारों की चाबियां लगा.
The way she accepted me, with all the cons, pros I don't know if I have, but with all the cons, with all the issues I have, she loves me beyond me. And that was the time. It's something stuck in me that she is the one I'm sure I can marry her. So for me, it was the way she accepted me.
मैं हूँ पानी के बुलबुले जैसा, तुझे सोचूं तो फूट जाता.
This man makes me more me. The version of me which I also did not know existed in the most beautiful manner. He brings out that. He says he wants to see the child version of me which I also never got the opportunity to see or be. So when someone just is not wanting you to be independent all the time, not wanting you to be strong all the time, not wanting you to have your shit together all the time, and he constantly keeps on saying this to me. Why are you so independent? Be dependent on me. Be dependent on me. You just know this person just is everything which you wanted in the version of home. He's home. So I just knew.